Hi, fifth graders. It's good to see you again. Mr. Cameron tells me you're already in Chapter 8, Geometry, and you've already learned things like lines, rays, segments, and so forth. And today, or this week, I should say, you're going to be learning about polygons. So he wanted me to go over some ideas about polygons with you. Now, I'm not sure if you've gotten to see this, but if you were in school, we would give you each one of these sheets. It's notes for geometry. And there's all sorts of polygons and information about polygons on this sheet. I'm going to hold it real still so that maybe mom or dad may want to take a screenshot of this. If you'd like your own copy, I would be happy to send you one in a PDF file if you were to just request one from me, and you can email me at Swiderek, SWIDEREKP, at olgcparish.net. Or maybe Mr. Cameron has a better way of sending it to you through Google Classroom. But this is all the information that you'd want on your card, or you'd want to actually put into your memory before you had a test or an assessment on Chapter 8. Okay? Hopefully I've held that long enough and I've held it straight enough so you can see all the information on this chart. Now we'll talk about it in just a minute, okay? Let's look at polygons first off. You notice Jesus is smiling. Jesus is with us here today because he likes geometry too. And he's happy that you're with us here today to learn about these things. Polygons are the subject for this week. What is a polygon? Well, there's really three parts to it. It's a closed, plane figure made up of straight lines. Now let's take that apart. Notice this is a closed figure made of straight lines, right? And it's flat, so it's a plane figure. Remember, a plane is something like a flat surface. A triangle is also an example of a polygon, and a rectangle would be an example of a polygon as well. Now, it's got to be made of straight lines, okay? You can't at all have curves in it because it would not be a polygon. Now, when mathematicians do this, they're telling you that all of the sides are the same, even if they're not the best artists in the world. Now you know that is a perfect square. It's also called a regular polygon. Anytime you see the word regular in front of a polygon, that means all the sides are the same. Now, what did I just tell you about this triangle? All the sides are the same, and we learned previously that if a triangle has all sides the same, it's called an equilateral triangle, right? Okay. Now this one, a rectangle, watch what I'm going to do with my tick marks this time. All the sides are not the same, so it's not a regular polygon. The top and the bottom are the same. The right and the left side are not the same, so that's not a regular triangle, polygon. Now, remember, these are the characteristics of polygon. They have to be closed, they have to be plane figures, and made up of straight lines, okay? You've probably heard of other polygons, too. For instance, there's a very famous building in Washington, D.C. that's made of 5 sides. It's called a pentagon. In fact, we call a regular 5-sided figure a pentagon. If you ever look at a stop sign, next time you drive by and you see a nice red stop sign, count the number of sides on that. You'll see it has 8 equal sides. It's a regular polygon, and that's called an octagon. That sheet I just showed you names lots of different polygons too, and it's good to put those in your memory. Okay? Now, that's about it. If you look in your book and if you look on this sheet that I gave you, I'll hold it up again. You'll see some more information about polygons. Okay, and again, I'll be happy to send this to you, or ask Mr. Cameron if there's a better way to send this through Google Classroom. Okay, in the meantime, I'm thinking of you and hoping we get together again real soon. Remember to keep working on your extra math, because I still have all those ice cream sandwiches in my freezer waiting for you. So the next time we get together, we'll have those ice cream sandwiches, homeroom with the most amount of points. Okay. I guess that's it for today. If you have any more questions, please ask Mr. Cameron or direct them to me. I gave you my email address, and I'll be happy to help you in any way I can. Have a lovely rest of the day. Bye-bye now.